Даром вы приснились мне в бою с обритыми головами, с окровавленными мечами, во рвах, на башне, на стене. Внемлите радостному кличу, о дети пламенных пустынь.
Okay, he says what very bloody, like very bloody, but he forget for some reason what his poet write propagandist story, Капитан daughter. It was basically about how they punished Bashkorts, how they he in detail said like how they cut their ears for this, because Bashkorts was people who lived in the fields, you know, where wasn't horses, they loved freedom, but Imperial of Russian tried to like take more taxes from them, and they didn't like it. They tried to Christianize them, like the Tatars did, and they didn't like that Bashkorts. And you're saying that Islam is bad religion because it's bloody, like. But I have proofs that like Orthodoxy also have. But your religion, Orthodox.